Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. I've picked up this Toolpro LED Rechargeable COB Worklight for working on the cars and stuff. And today we're going to do a quick unbox and review of this worklight. So let's get into it. So let's get this out of the box. Cut those little plastic tabs off. Open him up. Alright, so that's the light itself. You can see out of the box it's come with charge in it, and it's got a end light as well as the actual main light as well. That's a useful feature. And then what else we got in the box? We've got the charging station, we've got a charging cord. However, just looking in the box, it looks like we don't actually have a adapter, so you've got to supply your own USB charger. So that's a bit annoying, and I'd say a bit of an oversight of Toolpro, but alas, let's go grab one and see if it'll charge. Alright, so I've gone and found an old iPhone charger which we can use as the source of power. So let's plug our charging cable into that, and then we can see, looking at the base, that the power input's around this side there. So let's plug our power cable in just like that. We can see straight away that the charging light comes on, and then place our work light in there, and you can see that that's charging, indicating. One would assume that when it's fully charged that indicator will go green. So let's just leave that for a while and then we'll come back. So it's been a couple of hours since I put this on the charge and the light's still red, but I'm getting impatient, so let's test the light anyway and see how it goes. So let's see how this work light performs under the bonnet of my vehicle here. As you can see, we're in quite a dark location, which is pretty normal of where I'd be working on the car. So switch the light on. We can see this actually gives a really good illumination. Now, in terms of mounting, we've got magnets, so we can pop it up on the bonnet like that and just cast the light down there. That's really useful. Or alternatively, it's got a hook which you can use to hang. So we can just hang the work light off of any hook, and you can see that also puts quite a good light down. But another feature of this work light is we've actually got the torch function. Now we can actually use that to shine around, and you can see that's actually quite useful as we shine around through the engine. So the base of the work light actually has a couple of screw inserts for mounting. The kit came with a couple of screws and a couple of plugs. So I'm now going to mount the recharging base, I reckon about here. That's a perfect spot under my irrigation controller. Got power there. So we'll get that mounted up there. That'll be really useful, so we can take the light off. We've got that recharging base permanently mounted out of the way. And there you go, folks. There's the work light, nicely mounted on the wall there, out of the way, charging and ready for use for next time. So there you go, folks. That's the Toolpro COB LED Worklight Rechargeable. I'm pretty impressed with how good it actually performs in quite a dark location under this bonnet. If you have liked this video, do feel free to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, have a good evening.